So now let's talk about that hook punch. Now the hook punch uses that circular motion to come in and strike your adversary. Now where I'm striking is usually on the side of the body. So if I'm coming for a head hook, I'm striking up top. I can strike her temple, I can strike her cheek, I can clip her nose, I can also strike her chin. So now with striking the chin over here, you know that dummy, the wooden dummy that talks and the mouth opens? Well, right where that happens is your trigeminal nerve. So that's one of the cranial nerves, but it actually can be affected outside of the brain. So if you get a good hook punch on what they call the button, you can get an instant knockout right there. So, you know, if you're really trying to really survive an altercation, you might take that well-placed hook punch and then accomplish getting in, clinching, controlling the situation, and then ending the altercation in one step. So from here, when I'm coming in with my hook punch, everything is tight. I make a circular motion and then I come in. Now, you have a lead hook, which is my left, and you have a rear hook, which is my right. I can also use the lead hook to the body. If I'm going to the body, I don't do this, right? I have to lower myself and then come in, right? I'm coming in here. Because what happens if I just do this? What could she do? She could come over the top and punch me, right? I'm totally exposed. So if I'm going to go to the body, pop, pop, lower your center of gravity a little bit, tuck in, and then go. Now, I want to give you a little tidbit on how I actually really enjoy doing the hook. Some people will throw the hook punch with a rolling hook like this. What I like to recommend, it's like you're holding a mug of coffee. So you have a mug of coffee in your hands just like this. Now, you don't want to spill your coffee because you have a long day ahead of you. So what you do is you hold onto the coffee and then use the coffee mug to strike them in the face. If I go to roll it like this, then the coffee spills on me and I don't want that. So when I throw my hooks, I come up, here's my coffee mug, coffee mug, coffee mug, and there's your smash. So let's watch that on the mitt pads. Again, in my stance. Now this is really where I need to rotate. Also, in the other cross and the hook as well, I'm squashing the bug with my foot. So you're going to see me roll this over. So let's go to the head first. So we're just going to do it on this one. So when I'm in here, I'm starting to push off. Here's my roll. And then I hook through. So I'm in here. You can also see I'm protecting myself over here. So now let's watch it if I did a right and then a left. So I'm in here. 1 and 2. So you can see how my foot is rolling. I have a 1, 2. I'm also breathing out. So that noise I make is actually giving me more force, but also protecting me because I'm expelling the air out. If Miss Alex were to hit me, if I missed the cross and she hit me in my stomach, it tightens up my stomach. In addition, it forces me to breathe back in. Because we all know, you know, maybe you're lifting weights or exercising, and what do people do? They hold their breath. Well, not breathing in a self-defense situation could be extremely dangerous. So when I make that noise, either a TS sound or a right, it allows you to get in that rhythm and the flow. So let's watch that one more time. I'm in a good stance. I'm going to pivot, squash the bug, roll my hips, keep my core tight, and then punch through the pad using my coffee mug.